Okay, so we're gonna make brownies. You ready to make brownies?
Yeah.
All right, we preheated the oven to 350. We have all of our ingredients to make the brownies right here. We call this mise en place, meaning everything in place. It's a French term. We have butter. We have cocoa powder, unsweetened. We have our white sugar, granulated. We have baking powder. We have salt, vanilla extract, our all-purpose flour, and 4 eggs. So whenever we bake things, usually we like to cream together the butter and the sugar. That's the very first thing that we do, okay? So we have our soft butter, which is 2 sticks or 1 cup, and we're gonna scrape this into our mixer here. And you don't always have to use a mixer, a stand mixer, you can always use a hand mixer as well. So you wanna use the cake spatula and put in the butter in there. Scrape that right in. There you go. You can use the whisk to pull off the excess. There you go. Make sure you get it all out. Great, good job. Now we're going to put in, what did I say? We're going to put the butter and what together, so we cream it together. How many cups is that? 2 cups of white sugar, you can pour that in. Very good. Okay, now we're going to put this down, and we're going to turn it on to a low speed so it doesn't go flying all over the place. Okay. Let that mix a little bit. You want to get the shot of it mixing. Okay. Good. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to let that mix, then I'm going to raise it a little bit. Now let's shut this off now. That's mixed pretty good. Now we're going to add our eggs carefully. We're going to crack all 4 of those eggs. We'll put this right here so it's a little closer. And you can crack them. Try cracking it like on the side of the bowl. And then, yeah, come on this side. Got it. Very good. Now put in the vanilla. Just pour it right in. Okay. Good. Put that in the sink. So you know we used it. And we'll turn it back on. Now we're going to add our cocoa powder. Pour that in. Let's mix that. Now we're going to add the final ingredients, which is the flour. Okay, left side. And tap the bottom. There you go. Got it all?
Yep.
And the salt and the baking powder. Alright, great. Push that down. Just going to get all the excess off of the whisk. Okay, we're also, even though this is a non-stick pan, I like to grease it a little bit. I think I'm actually going to use this size smaller. Let's use this one. A little cooking spray. And we're going to scrape this into here. And we're going to level this out. Do you want to do that? This way it covers the whole pan.
Right.
Okay. Excellent job. Let's finish it off. Okay, this is going to go in the oven. And these brownies, you can leave it like this, but we're going to make some frosting for the top. So we'll get on that right after this, and we'll put this in the oven at 350. And it'll take about 20 minutes to bake. That's it.